Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can stop automatic ads in Oppo or any Android that you have. For example, there is a ads on your mobile screen, or maybe there is a malware or adware. You can try to deactivate it by tap on your settings. You can go to the settings but now, and then you can try to tap on connection and sharing, or connection or networking on your Android, in order to find private DNS. Here you can tap a private DNS and you can try to use designated private DNS. Here you can modify and try to type dns.adguard.com. So you can try to use this DNS as your private designated private DNS. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the text button below. See you in the next video.